Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be neat to share with you a trick that uses a rubber band. So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, have a spectator select any card they like. Let's say they picked that card right there. They look at it, remember it, you take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck, you have no idea where it is, give the deck a few cuts and even a shuffle, completely losing their card, okay? Now, since this trick involves a rubber band, we're gonna take a rubber band and we're just gonna wrap it around the deck once, okay? Wrap it around the deck twice, nice and tight, okay? So now when we give the deck a cut, whoa, did we snap the rubber band? Hold on. No, it looks like the rubber band actually wrapped itself around one card in the deck. What was the card you picked? Was it the 3 of hearts? And that's rubber band finds card. And now before I share with you how to do this, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it. I do post magic tutorials about once a week. It does help this channel out. And if you have any questions on how these tricks are done or anything, leave them in the comments. I do see them and I do respond. Okay, so this is rubber band finds card. Okay, so these are rubber bands. I have a bag of them. They're number 32, okay? And their dimensions are 3 inches. It says 3 inches by a half of an inch, but I don't know if that's correct. But so number 32 rubber band, okay? Most rubber bands, normal rubber bands will work. Little tiny ones that they use to tie like, fish bags with. I don't think those will work, but just get a normal, regular rubber band. If that's what you have, try it, see if it works. If it does, great, you're good. If not, you might need a bigger rubber band or a smaller rubber band, okay? So these are number 32s. Okay, so rubber band finds card. You have a regular deck of cards, it's shuffled. You have a spectator select a card, it's free selection. They pick any card they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. You get their card to the bottom of the deck, okay? So they picked the 9 of hearts. What I did, I said I'm gonna place it in the middle of the deck. Just place it, you place it somewhere in the top half of the deck, just like that. Push it in, and then the last time you're gonna go push it in to make it flush, you just lift up a little bit and then get a nice little break, okay? Get a break. So their card is now on the bottom of this packet of cards right here. So you say then you're gonna cut the cards, and when you do that, you just take this packet where your break is, that's their card, place it on the bottom of the table, and now you have this remaining packet here, and just cut off half of those, place them on top, and then the remainder on top of that, okay? So now their card's on the bottom, and you can shuffle, as long as you just shuffle that card first, you can shuffle till the cows come home, okay? Just keep shuffling that card first, keeping it on the bottom, okay? Now, when you go get the rubber band, I like to bevel the cards a little bit, so it's just at a little angle here. It just helps get one card as a pinky break, because if you do get 2 cards as a pinky break, the rubber band will wrap around 2 cards, okay? So you're gonna need a pinky break around the bottom card as you get the rubber band, okay? And say I'm gonna wrap it around the cards once, and when you're doing that, you're just wrapping it around all the cards except for the bottom card, okay? So the rubber band is wrapped around all the cards except for the bottom card, okay? So that's the first time you put on. Now you say you want to wrap it around twice, and so when you do that, this is my right hand, okay? My right hand, I'm making a fist to grab the rubber band like this, okay? And I'm just turning my arm, kind of a quarter turn, my right arm, so my fingers are facing left, okay? Grabbing this top part, I'm just pulling this rubber band out, grabbing the top part with my left middle finger, okay? Just kind of holding it in position, okay? And then just wrapping the rest of the rubber band around the entire deck, okay? Let me show you again, because I let the tension go, okay? Grab this with my left middle finger, just this top part, okay? This rest of the rubber band gets wrapped around the entire deck, okay? The second time, and I'm holding with my kind of a knot, but it's not. It's just to keep tension there, because when I release the tension from my left middle finger, the rubber band's gonna detach itself from all the rest of the cards except for the bottom card, okay? Like that, all right? Let me show you the wrap again. Right hand pulls, okay? Left middle finger just pulls the top piece of the rubber band. You know, I'm not twisting this rubber band. I'm not doing that. I'm just pulling the top piece down. This is the same wrap that I did for card trap, okay? And so you're in this position, okay? This is what you're holding with your left middle finger. If I release that, the rubber band goes around the bottom card, all right? So now when you're here, so their card on the bottom, okay? Now the card's bent, okay? Pinky break, rubber band around all the cards except for the bottom card. Twist, but not twisting. You're just pulling, okay? Wrapping. Now go to cut the cards, holding the tension with this left finger, okay? Holding the tension with this left finger, go to cut the cards, and then when you do that, you're releasing the tension with this left middle finger, okay, with the rubber band around it, just like that, and then just give the cards a cut, and then spread the cards out, and the rubber band will be wrapped around one card, and that's their selected card, okay? So the key is just the card to the bottom, the pinky break, and the rubber band wrap, okay? Pull that down, wrap around, okay? Release the pressure, give the cards a cut, and then when you spread them out, say, where'd the rubber band go? Oh, look. It appeared to be wrapped around one card. What was the card you picked? Was it the Nine of Hearts? Okay? And so that's rubber band, finds card. Please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will read them. I will respond to them. And good luck. And until next time,